Have you ever been driven crazy by fungus gnats? You know, those tiny black flies that hover around your plants and seem impossible to get rid of. I tried everything. Yellow sticky traps, sand and gravel mulch, hydrogen peroxide, cinnamon, coffee grounds, essential oils, diatomaceous earth, vinegar traps, even neem oil sprays. Some of those things helped for a little while, but nothing ever worked long-term. The gnats always came back, until I discovered one solution that completely wiped them out. And here's the best part. It's been over 5 years and I still haven't had a single fungus gnat problem since. The answer is something called neem cake. Unlike neem oil, which can be harsh on soil and roots if not diluted correctly, neem cake is safe, natural, and even beneficial for your plants. It acts as a mild fertilizer while also disrupting the life cycle of fungus gnats, so they stop feeding, stop breeding, and eventually disappear. Using it is simple. Take 2 to 3 heaping tablespoons of neem cake for every gallon of water. Put it in a container, add water, and let it steep for several hours. Overnight is even better. Just don't let it sit for days or it will start to smell. The result is a rich brown liquid that you use to water your plants just like normal. Make sure you cover the top few inches of soil thoroughly, since that's where the gnats lay their eggs and where the larvae live. Repeat this every time you water, and within a few weeks you'll notice the fungus gnats disappearing. It doesn't kill them instantly, but it works on a hormonal level that slowly wipes out the entire population. And unlike quick fixes, it actually lasts. Yes, neem cake has a strong smell, kind of like rancid oil or peanut butter, but believe me, it's worth it. It's safe for your plants, beneficial for the soil, and most importantly, it works. If fungus gnats have been driving you mad, this is the solution you've been waiting for. Try it and you'll finally be fungus gnat free, just like I have been for the past 5 years. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on just 1 tablespoon of this, and all the cockroaches are gone forever. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.